I'm Shraddha. Welcome to my channel, and as you have already seen from the title below, today's video is going to be about my room tour. So in today's video is going to be like an upar ka room tour. That is, I'm not going to be opening all the cupboards and all the drawers and showing you in detail what's inside them. Of course, if you want me to do that, I'll be happy to do that, but you have to let me know down in the comment section below for it, and I'll do like a separate video for it. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my entire room. Of course, I'm going to be giving you glimpses here and there and telling you what things are inside it, but I'm not going to open everything and show it to you. I'm sorry. And also I'm filming with my Canon G7X for the first time, so if things are here and there, please forgive me. Like I'm still getting used to this, because it's going to take a little time more for me to figure everything out. And yeah, if I start blabbering, I'm not going to stop. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, this is the door for my room, and as we go inside, let me just not show you everything at once. So we'll go from this way, like we'll go around the room. So starting with this wall, with this door, of course it's not a wall, I have all the weird things. I have my timetable from 10th class, literally from 2000 and wait, focus. Yeah, from 2015, if you can see, I have my timetable here, and I have literally some random stuff going on which I really don't want to get rid of. I don't know why. And coming to the left, I have my 2 keychains. I don't know what to do with them, and they're cute, so I just put them right there. And coming here is my neon sign. Let me just switch it on for you. So I don't think you can see it properly because it's like completely daytime right now, and I'm also sorry for the noises. The windows are open and it's like a busy hour. We live near a college, near a lot of colleges, so it's always crowded. So anyways, so this is the neon sign which says my name on it. Obviously this I got is from Beyond Neon. Don't worry, all the links will be placed down in the description box below if you want to check any of that out. And then coming to the left, we have a stand here. So this stand, I got it from IKEA last year, and yeah, I really like it. It adds such an aesthetic to my room. And here on top we have a cup which was actually gifted to me by a friend. And then here we have like a flower pot which was again from IKEA, and here we have like a Polaroid camera and also like a light. This actually gets switched on, so this is like a Christmas light which I got from Sugar Box. And then we have an initial sign again. I got it from a local store, and I don't really remember where I got these candles from. And here there were supposed to be a few other books, and all of this was filled with like what do I say, fairy lights, but they have stopped working, so I just put them in the bottom like that. And now coming here, so this is actually my study table area, and coming to the top shelf, it has all of my books, literally starting from some records, and then I have some like storybooks, novels, self-help books and whatnot. And in the middle I have few notebooks again, and here I have some random medicines, I don't know why. And here are more of like my fancy notebooks which I really like and I don't really use very frequently. And here are 2 of my candles. And now when we come down, we have few signs here. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 signs here. I didn't got them printed, I bought them like that. I think I bought them from Uptown 18 if I'm not wrong. I'll check and place it in the description box below. And here we have like a white board. I actually got it from IKEA as well. This and this are sold separately. You have to check my IKEA haul to see all the products that I got from IKEA. I'll link it down in the description box below. Also, this thing has all of my fancy pens in it, most of my fancy pens in it. And now when we come to the bottom, this is the surface of my study table area. Although it doesn't stay this clean all the time, but I try to do it as much as I can. I really don't know how to get rid of this thing. This is actually of the neon sign, so it lays there. I probably have to put something over it and try to cover it. And coming here, we have my laptop bag. It has my laptop in it, and then we have these color pens. I use them every single day because I write my journal, my notes and everything with them, because I want everything to be super colorful and pretty to look at. So yeah, here are the books which I use on every single day basis. I use them almost every day. I'm not very actively reading this book right now though, but it's still there because I haven't completed it yet. I still have few more pages to go. So when we move towards the left, this is like another you know, pen stand, which I have my regular using pens, and these are the chocolates which I got on my birthday. And when we move here, we have this plant again from IKEA. This white pot is actually from Home Center or something. And these, you know, these are the things which I, you know, they sell these balloons on the road with these LED lights, right? I'm sorry for the noise, guys. So yeah, those are those LED lights. And again, I'm really sorry for the noise. And again, these 3 small plants are also from IKEA, and this is a bottle which was gifted to me by my friend, and it says my name on it. He got it from IGP, something like that. It's so super cute. And here we have some tissues, and we have some sanitization wipes just for emergency purposes. So this is like the overview of it. And here we have 3 drawers, which of course I'm not going to open it and show you. Let me show you like one drawer. It has most of my books. This has my cases in it, all sorts of books, you know, it has all sorts of books. And this thing has all of my stationery. Let me just tell you like what all are there in them. This thing has all of my stationery. This thing has all of my books. And here there are some literally random stuff. And also I have like my, let me show you a glimpse. It has most of my chargers and earphones and some electronic stuff there. And here, if you have seen my vlog, you know this is like my what do I call, my my purse closet. It has all of my purses in it, like at least most of them. So yeah, if you want to see my purse collection, I have a video on it. I'll place it in the description box below again. And here we have like a little window, and here we have a box and my yoga mat. In that box I have more of my YouTube related stuff. I have my, what do I call, I have my microphone, I have my selfie pod, I have my background cloth, and everything in that. It has more of like my YouTube stuff in it. And here if we move towards the left, we have my wardrobe. I don't want to show what's inside my wardrobe, but I'll just give you a quick glimpse. This thing has all of my you know, not daily wear, but the items which I wear when I go out and stuff, you know. I have all of these things in this wardrobe. And it also has some bed sheets in it. This thing has more of my dresses and, you know, dresses, bottom wear, and also some jewelry. Like, let me just give you a quick glimpse because, you know, it's going to get boring. So here are most of my dresses, here are like most of my bottom wear, and here are some of my jewelry, accessories, and other pieces. I haven't cleaned these wardrobes now, so please ignore the mess. And this thing has all of like my daily wear clothes and stuff like that, which I won't show you at all. And upar to we have all of the suitcases, other storage things, and also my traditional clothes are all up because, you know, I don't wear them that frequently. And again, if we move, we have a window. These white curtains are actually from Amazon. They were like so super inexpensive, but they're so good. And then we have these string lights. Let me just switch it on and show you. So this is how the lights look like. They look super good and aesthetic at night. So yeah, I even got these from Amazon. And here is my bed. So a lot of people actually keep asking me about my bed sheets. This bed sheet is actually from Shein, which I got a long time ago. I don't shop bed sheets at all, and this was like one of the rare cases. And Shein got banned, and I've been using them for the past 2 years almost. And these pillow covers, this is from Shein again. Again, I think this is from Uptown 18 or something. I'm not really sure. I'll definitely check and place the names in the description. This and this candy cushion covers are probably from the same place. So my bed is like pretty basic. It has my phone and my AC remote thrown randomly. A stupid story, the other day, you know, I put another AC remote in the washing machine, you know, along with my bed sheet, and it got ruined obviously. And thank God, like, the washing machine didn't stop working luckily, but you know, we have wasted a remote. And coming to this side is actually my dressing table. Anyways, here we have Here we have all the things from Nykaa. It has the Nykaa collection in it. I don't like when things are like this. Okay, so this has and it also has some Victoria's Secret collection behind it. Actually, I should have placed them properly, but you know, it's like that. And then we have here my favorite Victoria's Secret collection ever, and here also we have all of the Victoria's Secret products, and here's a random hairspray sitting, and this is me. Hi. So on the surface I try not to put many products. I basically put like this moisturizer and powder. I use it like every single day, and that's the reason why they are here. And these are my two new Bath and Body Works fragrances, so I wanted to use them like more frequently. That's the reason why they are there. And here's my candle. Recently I've been obsessed with this candle again. I fell in love with this candle all over again, so it burns most of the time in my room. And coming here, it has most of my Bath and Body Works stuff here. Like, you know, if you can see, most of my Bath and Body Works stuff are usually on display. And here are like more of my favorite fragrances, if you can see. And here are like my day-to-day fragrances. These things, you know, I don't really like to use them very frequently because I'm scared that they're gonna get over, but these are the things which I use very, very frequently. And here are like my day-to-day moisturizers. I use a different body wash every single day, and hence I have to choose my body lotion in according to that. And my dressing table has 1, 2, 3 and 4 drawers. This is actually like a sitting thing which I got made, which was a mistake. I never use that, and I really don't want to open and show you all the drawers. Again, I'll show you one drawer. So yeah, this is actually like my nail polish drawer. So most of my nail polishes are here, and we also have more perfumes. Yeah, I have a lot of perfumes. I am a perfume fanatic, so we can't help it out. So yeah, we have, you know, to be honest, even in that wardrobe there's a drawer down there which has more of my perfumes. So coming back here, this first drawer is filled with only lipsticks. I have over 200 lipsticks, like literally it's filled with lipsticks. I can't even show that to you. Everything is put here and there. I have a stand for which I use like regular lipsticks, but other than that everything is thrown like that randomly. This drawer has most of my makeup things. It has my highlighters, my blushes, my contours, my blush palettes, my eyeshadow palettes, some sheet masks and all of that. Yeah, it hardly gets open. Coming to the last drawer, it has more of my hair accessories. Like, let me just show it to you. So it has my blow dryer, my hair straightener, my straightener brush and all of those things. And it also has few of my sunglasses. Ignore it is a little dusty. And this is like my Bath and Body Works wall plug, and it has some cleaning wipes, and these are some of the jewelry pieces. So it's a mixed drawer. And anyways, coming here, this is the bathroom door. So to make it look a little aesthetic, I put another poster here. Of course, I'm not going to be showing you my washroom because why should I show you my washroom? Anyway, so this is my washroom door. You know, it is right beside my dressing table. And this is my bathrobe, which I need every single day almost. And here is another closet. This is actually my shoe wardrobe. I'm actually planning on making like a separate video on my shoe collection, but let me just give you a glimpse. So this thing has all of my heels, and this thing has more of my flats and, you know, traditional wear in it. So yeah, this is how it looks like. And this is like an overview of my room. Ta-da! So yeah, this is like an overview of my room. And that is all for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. That would be the absolute world to me, and I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Take care.